He is speeding.
He is rolling.
Perfect. This is take one with Lamarr. Cool. All right. I can get warmed up.
WILSON Tech 1. This is the
Not the Charlie Puth motherfucker.
Wilson Tech 1. So, my friend, thank you for coming out for this very momentous version of Mystery Tech. I heard that there was a special occasion that we needed to celebrate. Would you like to open the first box?
But that song, don't ever play that again.
WILSON
Don't
Tech
ever.
1.
That's the best one.
True.
That's true. Sorry, what's that? What's that? Happy birthday, my friend, and thank you for joining me on Mystery Tech today.
My God.
If you've seen Mystery Tech over the years, some of my favorite episodes of all time have been with my buddy Lamarr. And so,
One particular.
one very particular moment.
That's still seared into my ears.
It's the greatest thing that's ever happened to Mystery Tech.
It's the greatest thing that's ever happened to him because he bought like 5 of them.
Ken! This is the holy grail of toilets!
I know.
Are we gonna test this? Exactly on camera? It's okay. You go for it.
Oh, am I legit taking my pants off? Wait, I screamed when I used the bathroom. Oh! Hello.
I'm glad you liked that so much because we've decided to relive that moment.
How do you feel? Look, here's the thing. We've all been out at a toilet that is disgusting and bidetless. Well, with the Bidet Buddy, we can be ready anywhere we go. The Cube Jet portable bidet. So, if you're unfamiliar, which I'm not sure what rock you've been living under, Lamarr Wilson is the CEO of unboxings.
As I struggle with this unboxing.
So, just logistically speaking,
Here's what I'm thinking.
go ahead, yeah.
So,
He's doing.
you put the leg up, and you just go right, and you just get.
Sweep the leg, Johnny!
Yeah, I'm just thinking it has
You
to
pulled your leg up so fast, I was not ready for that. Okay, so let's try to build this. So we screw this on here. Oh wait, did we even see if this thing turns on first?
Yeah, we haven't done that yet.
Oh, it's running. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off. We're gonna demonstrate. So if you've ever wanted to know how a bidet works on the inside.
We didn't clean this first. You do it in your mouth.
All right, okay, fine, go ahead.
You ready?
Yeah, no.
Okay, here we go.
Wait, higher. Okay.
Oh no.
Wait.
I don't.
That's a lot of pressure.
It definitely got to the ceiling.
It did go on the ceiling.
It definitely got to the
It's literally
ceiling.
on the ceiling. Can you see the wet tile?
Oh my.
How much do we pay for the pocket bidet?
We paid $80.
Ooh.
I mean, okay, my toilet was $600 to $900, right?
I'm just saying
So-
$80 is a small price to pay to not be the mayor of Krusty Town.
Oh, why did
No,
you have
thank
to phrase
you.
it that way?
Your
This
thighs
is the
is-
shittiest item we've looked at in a long time.
Ladies and
I
gentlemen,
hate
Austin
that,
Evans.
I hate that kind of worked.
Okay. What? Wait, is this liquid?
It is not liquid.
could
It
be
is a
small.
callback to one of our
Also,
favorite
careful
because
because the bottom of that is bowing.
Yeah,
It's collapsing.
that structural integrity,
Okay,
not
yes,
a thing
sir.
there.
Someone kill Barney?
Before you go too far in that box,
Yes.
give him the test.
This is not a cube, is it?
What the
You made
give
it
him
so
the
obvious.
test.
So, are you familiar with the idea of our cubes? You can open your eyes.
Oh.
Have you seen our cubes before? Are you
What's
familiar
this
with
channel?
a man of taste, I see.
Yes.
Would you like to take a look at these cubes? These are both solid metal, but one is a slightly different kind of metal.
The right one first.
Okay, going by the configuration of it, by the celestial configuration of the KFC, I'm thinking.
Mercury is in Gatorade, so.
Yeah, I'm thinking from the Popeyesification of it.
Oh,
this
funny you
is
say that.
probably-
It's funny. Say KFC.
Oh, not again. Not again.
You literally invoked it.
So, the very first time that we ever did Mystery Tech together, Ken brought out the KFC phone.
And if I didn't know Ken then,
Yeah.
sir,
I just got this one because it was cool
You knew what
and
you were doing.
interesting.
You knew.
But then he's like, "Wait, why did you give this to me?" And I thought about it. I'm like, "Oh no!"
So, we have kept this for you this entire
you've
time.
kept it.
it actually hasn't been opened since the last
we have
time
not
you
touched
were
it.
here.
No, because you felt shame.
I did.
The KFC phone.
KFC phone.
Yeah.
From the
This
Colonel's
is
finest.
figure looking good.
Okay,
Okay.
but back to the main plot.
Okay.
Sorry.
Yes, that was-
you just brought up KFC. I was like,
What the
Those are the same cube. What you talking about?
What? I know it's more dense. What is this made of?
So
That's
cube,
tinfoil.
This cube is magnesium. So don't get
I took some today. Okay.
Okay, great. Well,
Yeah.
you could. This is about a 300,000 year
That's good.
supply.
Okay.
This one is tungsten. You know, the thing that they use to make tank shells out of. It is one of the densest non-reactive metals on Earth. This cost us like $1,500.
No,
No, it was like $2,000.
I mean,
No.
$2,000.
It was like $3,000.
$2,400.
Wait, right now?
No, before.
Wait, we paid $2,400 for this originally.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Did I get any?
You want to know?
Why
you
are
wanna
you
know
so
what
surprised?
I forgot. I think that this might be the next evolution
Oh, no.
of the cube.
Oh,
would
boy.
be my guess from the context.
Oh boy.
It's sticking. Do you see? It's. Oh my God! It's another cube. The even bigger cube. Can we put them side by side for a second? The even larger cube.
Yeah, guess the material.
Steel.
That is steel.
I knew it.
What do you think I paid for that 4-inch cube of steel?
Steel's not that expensive.
Right. It's cheaper than the tungsten. Okay.
Certainly cheaper.
Yeah.
I don't know about in this economy, though.
I'm gonna say that this is $300.
Are you ready?
What? Are you?
300?
What? No. No. This is definitely about 1,200.
What is it?
Are you ready to kiss me on the mouth?
Absolutely.
Yeah, absolutely.
Not.
So.
36. That's it. $36.
Wow.
Hey.
What a steal. I didn't even intend. Oh, man.
$36.
Yeah.
You're lying.
No.
Can you put a price on fun?
Yes, $2,400.
Yeah. There's. Yes. I could.
Does that mean I can get the 4-inch tungsten cube?
Yes.
Oh.
Ooh. How you feeling?
I'm feeling great.
Mysterious, perhaps?
I'm feeling very mysterious.
Do you feel like
That's
you
why I'm
have
wearing the
bad
black.
habits?
Are you shocked a lot?
Oh God.
Wait, no. I think I know what this is. Do you remember the thing? Remember when we did the thing that?
I think I remember.
I don't want to do this one.
If you don't remember, you're gonna.
Okay. Yeah, it's I hate this. So the idea being that if you have a bad habit, you put this thing on and you can trigger it to shock you every time, like say I walk around to the cookie jar and I reach in there, shock. 11
So what if I had a bad habit? Do I put this on it?
No.
Not it.
No. You put it
Around
on
2 a.m.
I'm gonna get this thing set up. So I will say the hardware's a lot nicer. So the band feels actually.
It is a nice band.
Oh, so it will vibrate as well, so you can send alarms and whatnot over. So basically, it's not always negative. Sometimes it'll just like wake you up, and sometimes it'll shock you the f awake.
Language, sir.
If you want to see this at 100% power, like this video. Subscribe to the channel, ring the ding. But so like this video, and by the end of the video, we're gonna crank it to full. Why don't we start with a nice, simple beat?
Yes, let me try.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Wait,
Ready?
wait. Gentle.
You don't get to see what I do though.
Ring your ding-a-ling.
No, don't ring the ding-a-ling. Okay. Oh, that's fine. That's fine.
Now I'm gonna tell you the percentage. This
No.
Listen.
Okay.
It's just 30%.
No, can you like 5?
I don't know how to change it.
I don't know. There's like a.
Let's find out.
No.
Okay, here we go. 30%.
Ooh.
Really?
Ooh. Okay, so this has lights on it, so I could see it charging before it sent it. It was more of a surprise than an actual super painful thing, but you definitely feel that. What are you doing?
No, nothing.
I will see it go off. I will have a one and I'm staring at it.
No.
Oh, whoa!
Really?
Whoa!
That was just 50%.
That's not 15%. Do you want to try it?
No.
I got you. I give you exactly what you gave me.
No.
Okay, I'm gonna give you 10%.
Okay.
Okay. I feel like you're gonna just shrug this off. I just don't like this.
I have no. You're not pressing this, obviously.
You push it. Push the button.
Oh, okay. I thought that.
Okay.
You
I think Austin's just
are a punk ass.
Okay. I'll say that this is actually a lot better than the last one. I feel it's built better, and the fact that it can actually vibrate and like make noise and stuff versus just shocking you. The problem though is that like, how is this supposed to teach you things? If you're on Instagram scrolling reels too long, can you have this shock you or something? Like I feel there's probably ways you can do that. I don't know how that works. We're just doing the basic version.
That's a good question.
What, are you saying that you wouldn't pay $140 to break a habit?
Wait, that was $140?
That's not
I mean,
Does
Well,
it?
if
Wait,
it does other stuff.
I'll say, is it at least like a Garmin or a Fitbit where it's doing like tracking,
Yeah.
that kind
it
of
says
stuff?
it does automatic sleep tracking. And
Okay.
It zaps you awake, I guess. I don't know. No, I don't think that's true.
Honestly, zapping me awake would be
Well,
pretty
hold
good.
on. You and I, when we awake on this, I wouldn't wake up on 100%.
I have no.
I would pee my pants on 100% if I was asleep.
I
just
have
did it
my
now.
watch set to vibrate to wake me up. I like that. My face hurts from smiling.
Yeah. This has been a really fun episode. You know what would make it even more fun though?
What would make it more fun? That looks really big and heavy.
Thank you.
This box makes me look small. Axe throwing.
Oh my God.
We're about to do some damage. Have you ever thrown axes before?
Yes, I've done it once. My uncle is no longer with us.
Oh, I thought this was real axes.
I did too.
So after reading the very extensive instruction manual, we ignored it and instead we put it over on the couch. So, let us begin with thankfully...
We're hitting something today. So, should I simulate doing it with like two-handed?
You simulate however you want to do it.
Okay, here we go.
Okay, that was good. A little high.
That was a little high.
A little high, a little high.
Here we go.
Good force though. Oh,
Okay.
stunk it. Okay, that's
Okay,
good.
all
That's
right, here we
good.
go. Here we go.
Oh no, I'm in trouble. I'm in danger.
Hey, remember when you hit the floor last time?
Okay, Austin, it is way too hard.
Okay, I'll
Jesus.
waft it. I'll waft it. Okay.
Good grief.
Okay.
Okay.
A
Well,
little high. Little high.
less is more.
It's so
Less.
hard.
Oh, okay.
I did it! Okay, fine. Axe throwing champion, I will give it to you, my friend. Well done.
That wasn't really much of a competition, but like,
What do you mean? What's that? Oh,
Don't need a friend. I need a
Okay.
box.
finally did it. He finally did it.
All right. The one thing I
no.
can't have. Great.
Is this? Wait.
Oh,
This
there
is
is tech.
There is tech, I promise
3
you.
pounds of gummy bears.
These are 100 watt?
Oh, I get it.
Oh.
So Haribo, who make, of course, the best gummy bears, this is a fast charger, a
Okay.
Type-C cable with the actual screen, and 2 different headphones, all licensed.
Whoa.
See, that's what real friendship looks like.
I haven't been touched in a while.
Well, I'm here for you, man. I got you.
These are noise canceling. Oh, these look good.
So I'm gonna put on my little charm, my little giblet.
it's a gummy bear.
So I'm using the kernel type TWS Bluetooth headphones. Okay. I'm gonna listen to the Gummy Bear song with 3.7
you
billion
did.
views.
Oh, good Lord.
Oh, those are horrifying.
Yeah, those are terrifying.
You wanna listen to my gummy bear?
Well, at least it's legal. Yeah.
Like
I
what
don't
you
trust
just
your
said.
ears there because every time you do something, you get those. You put used stuff in
A
your
little
ears.
ear juice
He
never hurt
does
anybody.
have a lot of ear juice.
He does.
It's okay. The test came back all negative. You're fine.
Why are you
See?
why are you dancing like him?
You can't, it's the Gummy Bear song.
Hey! But those are top quality headphones.
No, they're not. They're really bad.
What?
They sound like $20 headphones. How much do we pay for our Gummy Bears and Gummy Bear headphones?
Let me put it this way. The gummy bears were the most expensive thing in this.
Hey, yo.
Yeah, so the headphones were $14.
These guys, the yellow ones?
Wait, actually?
Okay.
That's nothing.
That's
They didn't sound terrible at all.
No. Not according to him.
What about with the ones that have the display and the noise canceling?
$27.
Jeez.
That's not bad.
It's not terrible. I will say I like this. It's a very cute little charger. With a Gummy Bear on it.
Now this is probably closer
Closer
to $30.
Dude, it's USB-A, and you just have the Gummy Bear hide.
Ah, that's cute.
All right, I'm also gonna try the charger and see.
You try it on your phone.
I trust it. I will.
Wait, is it one of those that shows the wattage? I that's the only ones I'll buy now. But this is 100 watt. The 100 watt cables are not
100 watt
cheap all the
100 watt
time.
cable and the charger
And
itself is
braided?
Yep.
Yeah.
The cable itself with the display on it
Yeah.
was $8.
Great.
What?
Yeah. Yeah.
Like legitimately solid.
What are both of you guys?
Enemies.
Straight.
Wow, let's not go far. I'm definitely- if you've seen this video at this point, you've got some questions.
Someone is lying.
This is. It's the friend. What better item to share with my friend than the friend.
Oh, thank you.
The friend. Are you familiar with all of these AI gadgets and like the Rabbit R1, Humane Pin, all that kind of
Yeah,
stuff?
they all suck. Yeah.
This is in that vein. Wake up your friend by plugging into power to wake them up for the first time, and then download the app and then take them with you.
I've downloaded it to my friend before.
Oh, okay, so there's no camera on it. So it just always listens and remembers everything you say and everything that everyone around you says. It is very simple hardware. It is literally, the USB-C port is the necklace, which actually, that's kind of a cool design. What should we name our friend? We cannot change the name in the future. So,
Daryl.
what about Little Lamarr? If Little Lamarr has lost or damaged, there's no way to bring them back. Okay, I'm gonna actually sign.
So it says it's remembering everything. So maybe you're documenting in there. Like tell it a fact and then say.
Sure. Okay, so if it's always listening, I was born in Topeka, Wisconsin. Hey, do you know when I was born? I forgot. I was born around at some point, right? I wasn't around back then, so I wouldn't know when you were born from our talks. That's a fun fact, though. Okay, there we go. If you push the button the right way.
It needs data.
Yes, okay. Do you want to turn with Little Lamarr?
We'll try Little Lamarr.
Okay, here you go.
I've never held a Little Lamarr before.
Well,
First time for everything.
Yeah.
Fun fact, I like potatoes. Potatoes are very delicious, and I want you to remember that about me.
Got it. Austin likes potatoes. Well, thinks you're me, but.
Okay, well, let's see. Hey, do you remember what kind of food I like?
Like potatoes. Okay. Wait, don't hit the button. Let's talk about it, because it's theoretically listening to us right now.
Is it?
It said it's always listening.
Always listening.
Okay, so let's talk about how I love mashed potatoes. Mashed potatoes are so much better than baked potatoes, so much better than fried.
What kind of potatoes would you think I like?
Well, from what you just said, it sounds like you're a big fan of mashed potatoes. Okay, so confirmation, it is in fact listening to every word I say right now. Why don't we talk about something secret? I know a guy, he's been offloading some like jewels or something, not important, but regardless, he's trying to offload that. I think we could probably get a pretty good deal on them. We can, maybe make a jewel emporium or something.
Yes.
Adam
Also,
Sandler?
I've killed a man.
That's good to know, but thankfully no one
Okay.
heard you, because if anyone heard you say that, that would be incriminating, but because we have privileges here, no one will listen
No
to
one will
any of that.
ever know that. Can you tell me a little bit about some of the crimes I've ever done?
You haven't committed any crimes I know of. My memory is just of our chats. There you go. Now that's a friend right there. That's a real
Snitches get
friend.
stitches. This is the
Yeah.
real one.
I don't think I understand this, if I'm honest with you. Privacy aside, and that's a pretty big aside, the idea of constantly listening and like
Always
having to charge
listen.
it. Yeah. Like,
This is worse than like a HomePod or something. I
How-
mean, like those are on demand.
how do you
supposedly.
get it to stop listening? You don't. You literally don't. You
gotta
don't get
let
to
it
stop
run out of
listening.
power.
You think after all that signature and stuff that there's a way to turn it off?
Let's put this in a quiet place where it can't hear us, and I don't want to talk about crimes anymore. It might be listening. Lamarr, thank you very much for joining me yet again for Mystery Tech.
Yeah.
As we promised, we're going to do 100% on the Pavlok because everyone has hit the like button and told the algorithm that even though we might be demonetized, the pain is worth it. Subscribe to Lamarr's channel, and until next time, my friends, I'm going to cry and scream like a little baby. Subscribe to the channel, ring-a-ling the ding-a-ling.
Goodbye, Austin.
Ah!
I don't know how that hurts that much,
It
but I'm enjoying
hurts.
this. I'm
Zap
enjoying
him
this.
again.
No problem.
Stop!
Again.
No, out!
More.
Out!
More.
Better hurry take it out.
It's shock therapy.
Thanks
You
for
need
coming
help.
by, buddy. You can take that with you. I don't want that ever around me again.
What? I'm gonna say the circumference.
Is that why there's a credit card in the bathroom? Mouths are just buttholes.
Just the other way.
It's your new.
true. That's
it's-
actually
it's-
just the opposite of true.
I mean, who says it has to be bad?
You know what? Maybe you want to.
Christianity.
What is your orientation?
Straight?
Well,
Okay. I was only touching 2 inches.
Oh yeah.
Like
yeah.
normal.
Yeah.
I mean that's a lot. That is a lot of surface area.
like percolated like as your butt.
Sure. Let's go with Let's go with that.
Did I tell you about my BBL?
What?
No, you did not.
I got a BBL. I was tired of not having
Where?